The story of the ugly duckling is coming directly up. Let's see here. That would be a good one for the flute.
Story picker? Yes. Is that your new job?
They would all be nice, but I'll play a game with you. Thanks, Mom. Here, catch the ball. Good job. Very good. You're a very good wolf, Yippee, and I appreciate you so much. Don't listen to those mean children. When they grow up, they'll realize they were wrong. Oh, I wish I had a friend now. You have me. Yeah, Mom, but that's not the same.
You were eating my ear.
Well, since the other wolf puppies won't play with me, I'm gonna learn how to climb trees so that I can get away from them so they won't tease me. Wow, look up here in the trees. I can see far, far away.
La 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 la. Oh!
Hello.
Are you a monkey?
I'm a wolf.
You're a wolf? You don't look like a wolf.
Well, I guess I'm a wolf anyway.
Well, what are you doing up in trees? Wolves can't climb trees.
Well, I taught myself how because I wanted to get away from all the mean kids.
Well, you can play with me up here. Let's play throw the banana.
Okay.
Here.
Oh.
Well, thank you for bringing back that banana. Why don't you throw it back next time?
Okay. Oh. Ah.
Ah! Good throw. Here, let's try again.
Oop.
Ah!
Roop.
Ah! Very good. Here you go.
Whoop. Oh. Nope. 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 I'm sorry.
What happened?
I ate the banana by accident.
Oh, that's okay. We can get another one. Here you go. Whoop. Yay! Oh! Wow, isn't this fun? Isn't this fun playing in the trees?
Yeah, I wish I was a monkey like you instead of a wolf that nobody likes.
Hey, I have an idea.
What?
Let's throw bananas down at the wolves and see what they think when they don't know who threw bananas at them.
Isn't that mean?
Oh, little bit, but you know, it'll be fun.
Okay. Dumpty Dumpty Dum. Dumpty Dumpty Dum Dum Dum. Hey, Joey, come back! Ah! Something hit me on the head. It's the banana. Ew, I don't even like bananas. I didn't know bananas could fall out of trees.
Oh, Jimmy, my little baby wolf cub, where are you, Jimmy?
sorry.
Up here, Mom.
Oh, what are you doing up there, Jimmy?
I learned how to climb trees.
Well, you come right down. That's very dangerous.
But it's fun, Mom.
Come on down now.
Sorry. We're having a flute versus elbow war here.
Hi, Mom.
What were you doing up there in that tree?
I was playing with the monkeys because they're nice, and we were throwing bananas at people.
Bananas? Oh my goodness, that's very naughty.
Well, we didn't hurt anybody.
Yes, but somebody could slip on a banana peel and hurt themselves.
I didn't think of that.
Anyway, no more climbing trees. We'll stay on the ground.
I want to climb trees.
I absolutely forbid it. It's too dangerous.
Okay,
Hey, Jimmy,
Oh, hi, Ninja Monkey.
what's the matter? Why are you crying?
I'm crying because my mom won't let me climb trees anymore.
She won't let you climb trees?
Yeah, now I can't go see you and I'll never see you again.
But you're seeing me right now.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing here?
I came to find you because you didn't climb up the tree again this morning and say hi to me, and I wondered if you were okay.
You cared about me?
Of course.
And even if I can't climb trees, you want to be my friend?
Of course. Monkeys can go on the ground too, but just don't let your mom eat me.
Oh, she wouldn't do that.
Oh, that's good. Maybe we can play today.
I'll go ask my mom. Mom!
Yes, Jimmy.
The monkey came down from the tree to be my friend.
The monkey came down from the tree?
Yes, the monkey wants to play with me. Can I play with the monkey?
Well, I'd like to meet this monkey.
Okay.
Playing with monkeys? I don't know about that. That's not what wolves usually do.
Hello, Mrs. Wolf. I'm the ninja monkey.
Ninja monkey? That sounds very dangerous.
No, it's just the way monkeys are. We're very ninja. You know, we jump from branch to branch and we swing on vines and we play tricks on people.
Well, no trick playing here. If you play tricks on us, we won't want you to be here anymore.
Oh no, I'll be very polite. I just want to be Jimmy's friend. Can we play some games here at the wolf den?
All right, but be careful and don't break anything.
We won't. Jimmy!
Coming! Mom said we could play together?
Yeah, let's play a game.
Okay, what do you want to play?
How about let's play light a fire in the den.
Light a fire?
Yeah, light a fire in the den.
But fire's dangerous.
Well, but we won't light it for very long. We'll put it out just as soon as it's done burning.
Really?
It's really fun. You'll see. It's really exciting and fun.
Okay.
First, we have to get sticks.
Okay. Here's the sticks.
And then we have to get 2 rocks that make sparks.
Wow.
Okay, these are the rocks that make sparks. And you hit this rock with the other rock.
Wow, it's making sparks. Yeah. Nothing's happening.
Oh, it's not working.
Don't you know how to do this?
Well, no, I never did this before, but I read about it in a book.
Oh. Well, maybe if I go Maybe if I go get some more rocks, I can help.
Oh, it's not lighting on fire.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just lighting a fire in the den.
No, don't light a fire in here. We don't have a chimney. Give me those rocks.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mrs. Wolf.
Monkey, I think you'd better go home.
Oh,
Go home right now.
can I say goodbye to Jimmy?
Okay.
Oh, Monkey,
What?
you have to go home to the trees.
I know. Your mom is mad at me for trying to make a fire in the den.
I guess I shouldn't have let you do that.
Well, it was my idea. I'm sorry.
Next time, I'm gonna be more careful.
Me too.
Well, bye, Monkey.
Jimmy, what's the matter?
I don't have any friends.
But you have me.
I don't want to be friends with you, Mom. You're mean. You won't let me play with the monkey.
Let's throw the ball around.
I don't want to.
Come on now, let's throw the ball.
Okay.
To grab him?
Good job.
Fine.
Now, I want you to make sure that the monkey is better behaved next time. And if you need me to sit with you, I will. But no more dangerous games, all right?
You mean I can be friends with the monkey again?
I'll give him another chance, but he has to know the rules.
Okay. Maybe we can make a rule book and we can read it together so the monkey understands and I understand.
That's a good idea.
Okay. Thanks, Mom. I love you. I love you, Jimmy. I love you too, Mom.
That's the end of our story. Bye.
You can catch him now?
What is the moral?
What's the moral? I don't know.
You should be safe when you play with your friends.
Yeah.